Traveling can be an enriching experience, especially for seniors, yet many may not be aware of the hidden perks airlines offer that aren't widely advertised. Understanding these benefits is crucial, as they can significantly enhance the travel experience for those aged 65 and older. From discounted fares to priority boarding and additional baggage allowances, these perks can lead to substantial savings and added convenience. Knowing about these advantages not only helps seniors save money, but also makes their journeys more comfortable and enjoyable. In this video, we will delve into the various senior travel perks that airlines often overlook in their marketing, ensuring that older travelers can make the most of their flying experience. By uncovering these hidden gems, we aim to empower seniors to travel with confidence and ease.
Free wheelchair assistance is a valuable service available to seniors with any mobility concerns, not just those who are unable to walk. This assistance is federally mandated, meaning airlines are required to provide it and cannot refuse service to those who need it. Requesting wheelchair assistance can significantly enhance the travel experience, offering benefits such as priority boarding, which allows seniors to settle in comfortably without the stress of long lines. Additionally, airline staff can help with luggage, ensuring that seniors don't have to struggle with heavy bags. This service not only promotes safety and comfort, but also allows for a smoother transition through the airport, making the entire travel process more enjoyable. By taking advantage of this essential service, seniors can travel with greater ease and confidence, knowing that their needs will be met.
Seniors aged 75 and older benefit from a modified security screening process that simplifies their experience at airports, eliminating the need to apply for TSA pre-check. This exception allows them to keep their shoes and jackets on during screening, making the process more convenient and less stressful. Additionally, seniors can enjoy a more relaxed atmosphere as they navigate through security, which can often be a daunting experience. It's important for seniors to mention their age to TSA officers, as this can lead to further assistance and accommodations tailored to their needs. By taking advantage of these provisions, older travelers can move through security with greater ease and comfort, ensuring a smoother start to their journey. This thoughtful approach by the TSA recognizes the unique challenges faced by seniors and aims to enhance their overall travel experience. Many major airlines offer senior discounts that often go unnoticed, making it essential for older travelers to inquire about these hidden savings. Airlines such as American Airlines, Delta, and United provide special rates for seniors, but these discounts are not always advertised online. To access these rates, seniors typically need to call the airline directly, as they may not be available through standard booking channels. When inquiring about discounts, it's important to use specific language, such as mentioning senior fares or senior discounts, to ensure that agents understand the request. By being proactive and asking about these hidden savings, seniors can potentially save a significant amount on their travel expenses. Encouraging viewers to take the initiative can lead to a more affordable and enjoyable travel experience, allowing them to explore the world without breaking the bank. Seniors have the right to request priority boarding, which can greatly enhance their travel experience, especially for those with mobility concerns. The best part is that seniors can ask for this service without needing any documentation. Simply mentioning their age is often sufficient. When approaching airline staff, seniors can use the magic phrase, "I would like to request pre-boarding assistance," to ensure their needs are met. Boarding early allows seniors to settle into their seats without the rush and stress of a crowded aisle, making it easier to store carry-on luggage and get comfortable. This early access is particularly beneficial for those who may require extra time or assistance, ensuring a smoother transition onto the plane. By taking advantage of priority boarding, seniors can enjoy a more relaxed travel experience from the very start of their journey.
Seniors can leverage their status to potentially secure seat upgrades by effectively communicating their comfort needs during check-in. When approaching the check-in counter or gate agents, seniors should mention any specific requirements related to their age, such as needing extra legroom or a more comfortable seat. Gate agents often have the discretion to accommodate such requests, especially when they understand the traveler's needs. It's essential for seniors to be polite and reasonable when asking for upgrades, as a friendly demeanor can go a long way in fostering goodwill. By expressing gratitude and understanding, seniors increase their chances of receiving a favorable response. This proactive approach not only enhances their travel experience, but also ensures they are more comfortable throughout their journey. Leveraging their status in this way can lead to a more enjoyable and pleasant flying experience.
Seniors can take several steps to avoid baggage fees, making their travel more affordable. For military veterans, many airlines offer the benefit of waived baggage fees, so it's important for them to inquire about this option when booking their flights. Additionally, medical equipment, such as wheelchairs or oxygen tanks, is typically exempt from baggage fees, allowing seniors to travel with necessary items without incurring extra costs. Furthermore, seniors should ask about companion passes, which may include allowances for free checked bags. This can be particularly beneficial for those traveling with a caregiver or family member. By being proactive and asking about these options, seniors can significantly reduce their travel expenses and focus on enjoying their journey rather than worrying about additional fees. Taking advantage of these opportunities can lead to a more pleasant and budget-friendly travel experience. Seniors can gain complimentary access to airport lounges through various avenues, particularly by leveraging medical accommodations. Many airlines offer lounge access for travelers with specific medical needs, allowing seniors to enjoy a more comfortable environment while waiting for their flights. This can be especially beneficial during flight delays or cancellations, as lounges provide amenities such as refreshments, comfortable seating, and a quieter atmosphere, making the wait more pleasant. Additionally, seniors should inquire about veteran benefits, as some airlines extend lounge access to military veterans, providing another opportunity for free entry. By asking about these options at check-in or when booking flights, seniors can enhance their travel experience significantly. Access to airport lounges not only offers comfort, but also a chance to relax and recharge before embarking on their journey, making travel more enjoyable overall. When requesting travel perks, seniors can use the following script to ensure their needs are met effectively. Hello, I hope you're having a great day. My name is your name, and I'm a senior traveler. I would like to inquire about any available perks or assistance for seniors, particularly regarding priority boarding and wheelchair assistance due to my mobility considerations. I appreciate any help you can provide to make my travel experience more comfortable. Thank you for your time. This approach emphasizes being informative rather than demanding, which can foster a positive interaction. By clearly mentioning their age and specific mobility needs, seniors can help staff understand their requirements better. Polite and specific requests often lead to better treatment, ensuring that seniors receive the assistance and perks they deserve during their travels. To maximize their travel benefits, seniors should take several important steps before flying. First, if wheelchair assistance is needed, it's crucial to request this service at the time of booking to ensure availability. Additionally, seniors should call the airline 24 hours prior to their flight to inquire about any senior fares or discounts that may not be advertised online. This proactive approach can lead to significant savings. At check-in and the gate, seniors should confidently communicate their needs, whether it's for priority boarding or assistance with luggage. Being clear and assertive about their requirements can help airline staff provide the necessary support. By following these steps, seniors can enhance their travel experience, ensuring a smoother journey from start to finish while taking full advantage of the benefits available to them. In this video, we explored a variety of travel perks available to seniors that can significantly enhance their flying experience. From complimentary wheelchair assistance and priority boarding to hidden senior discounts and potential seat upgrades, these benefits can make travel more comfortable and affordable. We also discussed how seniors can gain access to airport lounges and avoid baggage fees, ensuring a smoother journey. We encourage you to share your own experiences and insights in the comments below. Your stories can help others navigate their travel adventures. If you found this information helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more travel hacks tailored for seniors. Don't forget to explore our related content for additional tips and tricks to make your travels enjoyable and stress-free. Thank you for watching and happy travels.
Make sure to hit subscribe and never miss out on weekly senior travel tips, packing hacks, and insider airline secrets that make every trip smoother, cheaper, and stress-free.